Welcome everyone. Today's oddball picks, I guess you'd call them, is Perseus and Charon from Clash of the Titans, a movie, 1981. I think it's gone on to become sort of a camp classic. They're pretty clean, but I'll give them a damp towel wipe down. I had the lunchbox of this too, and I didn't actually see the movie until it actually came out on TV like 4 or 5 years later. When I say TV, I don't mean cable. I mean like NBC or something. They used to broadcast cinematic movies on TV after several years. Charon, I don't know how I've been like 6 at the time. I don't know how or why my parents would have bought me this. I mean, the Greek mythology aspect of things, I guess, is sort of cool. It looks like he's got hips, but he doesn't. It does not bend or have any flex there at all. Arm actually is a little dirty on the inside there. How does this one look? And Perseus came with like the shield and the sword, and I remember playing with him a lot. The sword was, typical Greek short sword thing. But like I didn't see the movie till much later. I still like the movie. It's terribly good. It's not bad, but it's definitely not a good movie. And it could just be the age of the special effects. Like the Harryhausen, his special effects were awesome. The stop motion scorpions and skeletons and everything they had. It was great and terrible, and it's, if you haven't seen it, go back and watch the 1981 Clash of the Titans. It goes beyond description, but it's definitely worth seeing. But I imagine if you're tuned into this, you probably saw this just for the nostalgia aspect of it. But anyway, that's not a lot to them. Not very posable, but legs move, arms move, heads twist. It feels like they're pretty good solid shape. They don't feel loose or anything. Well, there's nothing to feel loose on Charon, but everything feels, these don't feel fragile. I'll say it like that. But that being said, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's just going to keep going from here. Thanks, folks. Bye.